Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another beautiful package from one of my favorite companies. Not just because they're Canadian, but they make some really high quality items at very good prices, and who doesn't love that? So once again, from Strapmill, Canada. They're located out in British Columbia, Canada. They have sent over, I believe, a strap or two. I've paid for one or two, so I can't remember what's inside. But guys, please pray for them. They kind of right in the middle of the flooding there in BC, and they haven't had the best weather for the past 6 months or so. So just a quick unboxing here. Let's get through it. Okay, let's see here. Perfect. So we got two 20mm straps. Nice Supreme quality here. And these are going to be for my giveaway when I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram. So they're kind enough to send these through. They're brand new, and yeah, they're super awesome to work with these guys. So here's the letter. Congrats on reaching 1,000 on Instagram. The 1950 Regatta and Cobra Blue thin seatbelt straps are for your giveaway. Best of luck, Matt. Super awesome. Thank you so much, guys. And this is the one that I had paid for. So this is one of their brand new ones. It's one of their Supreme lines. And yeah, so let's get right into it. I want to check that out only because they have another one that I have from them that I had purchased. So this is from their previous Supreme lineup, and they came out with a new weave and a new color pattern. So we're going to check that out right now and compare the two really quickly. Love myself a green NATO strap, and this one happens to be almost like a British racing green, if you want to call it that. What a color. Look at that color. Yeah, it is a little bit different. It's more of a stiffer, still pretty flexible. This is the super soft seatbelt. So super soft. But these are a little bit different. You can kind of see the weave and the texture. They went to Hex hardware. Okay, so we're gonna see how it works, and of course, Strapmill Canada engraved buckle and hardware. Yeah, this is really nice. This is gonna fit on a lot of my watches. So 20mm, of course, and wrist check today. Monta Ocean King, and of course, it's gonna work with that really well with those gold tones. So it's gonna work really well. And just for the video, my Triumph, I got it on a deluxe strap right now, but obviously being a military watch, that green is gonna look super cool on this watch as well. Okay, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, these will be for a 1,000 follower giveaway. Please hit me up. Time flies by 2020 on Instagram. You'll see a lot more reels, videos, photos. I post daily, stories, posts daily. So check me out. Once again, Time flies by 2020. I'll leave the Instagram handle in the description. And yeah, these will be for my when I hit 1,000. They were kind enough to send them over. I believe last time I checked them close to the 900 mark, so we're about 100 away. So if you guys want to share it, pass it on. It's been fun. It's been about a year now, so haven't really pushed, just having fun. I like doing it on the side, and we'll see where it goes. So this is for 1,000 giveaway. Instagram. Time flies by, 2020. All right, until the next video. We'll see you later.